Hello and welcome to the another video tutorial of Zbrush. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how can you use edge loop from the polygroups, which is right here. How can you use this edge loop, means how can you use this regroup by edges. So for that I need to create a 3D model or import 3D model from here. So I'm going to import a 3D model. I need to import this. After I import this, I have to click Shift plus F to show the colors on the 3D model, and then turn off the lines, wireframes of this, and go to the regroup by edges. So my whole cube is creating a same color, so I need to increase the sensitivity of this. So if I increase the sensitivity of this and again press control W, not again press regroup by edges, so this will come out. Now if I have some more edges in this, for example, I have like this here. Now if I press group by edges, see here, the edges of the object will be grouped here, here, and here. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it, and please subscribe my channel. I will upload more videos on the tutorial of Zbrush. Thank you.